God, I'm so sweaty. If it's going to be chaotic, if it's going to be so fun, we'll find out.
Oh man, what a day I'm having.
Okay, this is either going to be iconic or a complete disaster because I let Instagram decide my whole trip to Alwar. Yup, strangers on the internet are now my personal travel agents. So I've got the polls, I've got the chaos, and I've got like 4 hours of sleep. So let's go. Let's see how Instagram have planned my day for me. Hi, so Instagram chose this outfit for me. I asked for casual vibes or desi ethnic look, and Instagram voted for this. So yeah, that's how it's going to be. And if I get compliments today, I'm forwarding it to my followers or I'm posting it on my Instagram story because it's all thanks to them. Also, if I'm overdressed, blame democracy, not me. And I'm super excited for the trip, so let's go. So I took this poll, and to that I got these results that I should visit the local market first, but I couldn't find any. So we decided to visit the forts first. The first fort that we visited was the city palace, which was quite beautiful and is about to be turned into a Oberoi hotel. Behind the palace was Sagar Jalashay, which was quite large and beautiful. The only drawback was that the water was quite dirty. But in order to go to Musi Maharani Ki Chhatri, which I'll be showing you next, you have to go through this place. Next to this Jalashay was Musi Maharani Ki Chhatri, which was very beautiful. It was made up of half red sandstone and half marble, and it was built by Maharaja Vinay Singh in the memory of his father and his queen Rani Musi. So I asked you all that whether I should speak to a local or not, and you people voted this. And now I have to go and talk to a stranger. Suddenly I'm feeling very shy, otherwise I, just go and talk to anybody. But when you're asked to do something, you feel like something different. So yeah, I'm contemplating whom to ask and whom not to ask. There are a lot of people around here. So I think because I said that I'll do it, so I will have to, bring it, I guess. Okay, here's to being brave. अगर कोई लोकल रिकमेंडेशन बता दो।
तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि मिल्क केक प्रसिद्ध है लड़का।
अच्छा।
वर्ल्ड में जाता है पूरा।
मिल्क केक। और कहाँ से मिलेगा वो?
मिल्क केक मार्केट है लड़का, ऑफिसर के पास।
कहाँ पे?
ऑफिसर के पास मिल्क केक मार्केट है।
मिल्क केक मार्केट।
बाबा ठाकुर दास।
अच्छा।
और अशोक सर्किल पर मिलता है।
अच्छा।
4-5 दुकानें पर अमेरिका तक जाता है।
यहाँ का मिल्क केक।
वर्ल्ड फेमस है मिल्क केक।
ठीक है। और कोई?
और यहाँ पर सिलशेड लेक है, वो बहुत अच्छा है।
चलिए ठीक है, थैंक यू। कुछ नहीं खाया मैंने सुबह से बिकॉज आई टुक दिस पोल वेयर पीपल सेड दैट ईट द लोकल फूड एंड नॉट इन अ रेस्टोरेंट. कुछ लोकल नहीं है यहाँ. कचौड़ी, भल्ला पापड़ी चाट नहीं खाती मैं. I mean, I do eat, but नहीं खाना मुझे अभी. So we are hungry, and you all also voted for this. So we are going there now. वहाँ पे जाने के लिए it will take us around 1 hour, and we have to reach there in 1 hour because then the safari will get started from 3 p.m. उससे पहले अगर कुछ मिल गया street food, then I'm gonna eat. Otherwise, why did I let Instagram decide my day? That's what I'm thinking. It's chaotic. So like I just said that I'm very hungry and I couldn't find anything local to eat. So फिलहाल के लिए यही भगवान का सहारा है. After 5 hours and a lot of struggle, it was time for Saraska Tiger Reserve. Initially we spotted these spotted deers, but wait for it, because the most eureka moment of the trip was this. We spotted a tiger and it was everything. So his name was Yuvraj and he's 7 years old, and this was the best moment of the whole trip. Then we were trying to spot him again, but we couldn't find, and the weather got really bad.
So it started raining cats and dogs and we were in the safari. The highlight of all of this thing is that I changed my clothes in my car for the very first time. What an adventure. You can see there's this bed sheet lying over there. I hung it up there. Then there was this suit that I was wearing. Then it's dupatta I managed to put over there. Then the blinders are here. Let me just show you. So yeah, put the blinders like this, and then in this back seat right here, I change my clothes.
After a heart full of adventure, we went back to our hotel, and that was the end of day 1. And because I took this poll, so I had to do it, and we couldn't do it on the first day, so here we are on the second
Kadi
day.
kachori, huh? Let's begin. Not bad. Not bad. This was प्याज कचौड़ी ना? ये तो नॉर्मल ही है. Plus.
And then, based on that uncle's recommendation, we also bought that milk cake. And lastly, we visited this artificial lake called Silisei Lake, where you can do boating to spot the crocodiles.
Okay, so Alvar, done. My legs are gone. My voice is almost about to. Thank you to everyone who voted in the polls, even the one who put me up for mild suffering. I see you. So this was fun. Should I do this in another city, or maybe let you all control my life for a week? What do you say? So comment down below your next dare, and I'll probably do it because clearly I don't value peace. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me some internet validation. Please, don't forget. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.